Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can show your layer list when building in Titan Web. So if I go to View, I'm able to click on Show Layer List, where I'm able to see all of the elements within my Titan Web project. And they are organized on a hierarchy level, so you see all the strips first, and the header is its own strip. And then you can see the elements within each of those strips. So let's find one here. You can see I'm now on the strip that holds this picture of the drummer and then a drum set. I can click on column 1 and I see that this is column 1 because it's highlighted, and then I can see the container over here that is holding a line. It's holding a text, and a text. And you notice that as I click on them, they highlight themselves. So that is really useful to help find your elements within your project. Another great thing is that you're able to search for things. So say this column over here, I'm going to name it drummer column in the metadata, like that. And you can see that it is now tagged, and my column now has the name drummer column instead of just being column 2. And that's really helpful. So now when I look for drummer, I'm able to find it. So that is really helpful. The layer list can really help you to find all of the elements and tags in your project. And then you can also see the way that the layout happens for each of the different devices, because you know that your end users will probably always be, or often be on a smaller device than a desktop or even a laptop sometimes. And so you're able to see the different ways that we configure the site based on that device, and then you can even have things be hidden per device. So let's say if it was a super small mobile device, I'm gonna hide this container. So you can see when I click on the container, it also highlighted it here, and I am able to make it be hidden for that device, and you can see it also grayed out here. So lots of great ways to use the layer list to speed up your building process for all of the different devices and elements in your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.